Time to cook. Wow, cook. You want to cook Indomie? Where's your egg? Yes. Where's your egg? Cook. Oh, you can't bring your egg. You can't bring egg. Yeah. Where's your egg? Egg. Wow. Oh yeah, go get your egg. Egg. Ah, you want to get that one? That one will break, oh. Egg. Egg. See your egg here. Oh yeah, if your hand can reach, you take it. Egg. Oh yeah, take it. Wow. This is they grow. What do you want to do? You want to climb to take your egg? Okay, let me give you the egg. Egg. Oh yeah. Let's go cook. Cook. Where's your pot? Don't break it, oh. Oh, that now, kwa. Let me go. Oh yeah. Bring your pot. Your pot. Good job. Bring your pots. Let's cook Indomie and egg. Bring your pot. Oh yeah. Put it on the fire. Good job. Oh yeah. You pour water first now. You pour water in your pot first. Egg. Oh yeah. Ah! Is that how to break? You want to break the egg?
Yeah, squeeze. That is squeeze.
Egg. Put water in your pot first. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Squeeze.
No! Ouch! You are cracking the egg. Crack. Hey, wow. Don't crack it. Put water in your pot first. So I can fill the water with pot. Can't fill the pot with water, I mean. Oh yeah, fetch water. Water. Oh yeah, let me help you to fetch water. Oh yeah. Water. Put it, let me on the tap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good job. Oh yeah, let's go. Carry it. Bring it here. Oh yeah, put it here. Put it here. Let's cook Indomie. Good job.
Good.
Oh yeah. Let me on the light for you. Oh yeah. Let me on the lights. Let's on the lights. Oh yeah. Come on, on it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, on it. You don't know how to on it. Oh yeah, wait. Wait, let me on it for you. Oh yeah, on it. Wow. Oh yeah. What will you put inside now? Where's your egg? See your egg. Egg. Oh yeah. Stretch it. Oh yeah. Bring your egg. Oh yeah. Put it inside. Let's boil your egg. Put it inside. Boil your egg. Hey, mother no one boil egg. Go. It's not boiled yet. Boil your egg. Boil your egg. Oh yeah. Cover the pot. Cover the pot. Egg. It's hot. Oh yeah. Cover the pot. Cover the pot. See the cover. Mother don't dey run. What happened? Egg that have not boiled, you want to crack it. Akoba adaba. See your egg here. The egg that you boil. Come here. See it here. That's boiled. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, crack it. Crack it. Oh yeah. Egg. Oh yeah, crack it. Crack it now. Crack it here. Oh yeah, come on, crack it here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, peel it. Peel your egg. Egg. Oh yeah, peel it. I should use my hand. Oh yeah, crack it. Oh yeah. Peel it. Oh yeah, peel it. Oh yeah, peel the egg. You crack your egg and you peel. There's nothing there again. I've poured the water away. Oh yeah, crack your egg. Oh yeah, crack it. Oh yeah, peel it. Oh yeah, peel it. Good. Oh yeah, start peeling it. I've cooked this one. Oh, this is a boiled egg. Boiled egg. Oh yeah, crack it. Good job. Yeah. Peel your egg. Egg. Yeah. Continue peeling it. Peel it now. Peel your egg.
Yummy.
Do you like it?
No.
Do you like it?
Do you like?
Do you like it?
No.
You don't like it?
Do you like?
You don't like it?
Do you like it?
I love it.
No. No. Yucky.
It's not yucky. It's yummy. The egg is yummy, not yucky.
I love you.
I love you too,
I
Yo-Yo.
love you. Oh. You.
Want to baby? Oui. Go, oui. Keep your egg here. Keep your egg here. Come, keep your egg here. Go, oui. Keep your egg here. Come on, oui now.
Peace.
Here. Wahala.
Peace.
You're eating egg when you have not peeled it finish. Madam. Awa. Ndị ezi oyi. Nekweva o. Ndị ezi oyi. This is how they eat egg in your village. This is how they eat egg in your father's village, Abi. Awa.